Hey guys, it's me, Amazing Andy. Kamusta kayo dyan? Welcome to my vlog! Guys, look at this little island of New York. Diba bongga? Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Little Island dito sa New York City. Tara, samahan niyo ako at alamin natin ang mga interesting facts tungkol dito. Welcome to Little Island, one of New York City's newest and most unique attraction. Little Island is an artificial island park on the Hudson River, and it officially opened on May 2021. Ang Little Island ay binubuo ng 132 tulip-shaped columns na parang lumulutang sa tubig. Ang bawat isa sa kanila ay may iba't ibang taas, kaya't nagmumukha itong natural na bundok. Wow, di ba? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Amazing Andy. Today, let's go to 1, 2, 3... Charan! Little Island dito sa New York. Come guys, join with me as we explore this beautiful place again. These columns were designed to create a varied landscape and to withstand harsh weather conditions. Guys, let's go! Tara na, pasukin na natin ang Little Island. Bongga, ang daming tao. More mga tourist guys. Meron iba't ibang klase ng halaman at bulaklak. Alam nyo ba na may mahigit 350 species na mga halaman dito? Wow! That's amazing! Wow! So refreshing! Oh, ang ganda ng hangin dito guys. The park was designed with biodiversity in mind, featuring over 300 species that include trees, shrubs, grasses, and many more. Alright guys, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa hagdanan. Let's go upstairs. More mga tao. Wow, bongga dito guys. Isa sa mga highlights ng Little Island ay ang amphitheater na ito. Dito nagaganap ang iba't ibang performances at events. Perfect for relaxing day out. Nakakawaw, di ba? Balik na lang tayo dito guys next time. Last 8 pa yung performance. Excuse me. Thank you. The amphitheater can seat around 687 people and host a variety of performances throughout the year. Grabe! Ang ganda ng view dito! Kita nyo yung Hudson River at ang skyline ng New York City? Perfect spot for picture taking! Little Island offers some of the most stunning views of Hudson River and New York City skyline. Okay, ito na yung pinaka-peak niya guys na portion, yung pinakamataas na portion. Ayan. May mga interactive art installations din dito, kaya't siguradong hindi ka maboboring habang naglalakad. Faster! And the winner is nothing. Wow! Nakakahilo! Parang ini-hypnotize ka. There are several interactive art installations throughout the park, adding the fun and engaging atmosphere. Create a visual illusion. That's wonderful. Oh my god, it makes my eyes dizzy. Are you alright? I think it hypnotized you. Alright, bye guys. Kung gusto mo namang mag-relax, may mga lounging areas din dito kung saan pwede kang umupo at mag-chill. Wow, di ba? Various lounging areas are scattered around the park, perfect for relaxing and unwinding. So, ito yung mga kaganapan dito sa Little Island ng New York, guys. Stroll ka lang, tapos kasi mga may partner. Let's go! Ayan, mahangin. Nasisira yung hairdo ko. Sana lahat may partner kapag pumunta dito para bonggang effect. Diba? Sana all. Let's go. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa tour na to dito sa Little Island. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang vlog na to, don't forget to like and subscribe para sa marami pang travel vlogs. Kita-kits ulit! Guys, please comment your name down below so that I can shout out you sa ating mga next videos. Hello guys! Hope you enjoyed our tour for today dito sa Little Island ng New York City. Goodbye! Please like and subscribe! See you next time! Tcharam! Thank you very much for joining me for this tour of Little Island. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell for more travel vlogs. This is Amazing Andy saying life is amazing, always smile. See you next time. I'm gonna show you one of the interesting fact here dito sa Little Island ng New York. This one, guys, ito yung mga remains ng port supposed to be na dadaungan ng Titanic. Ayan, that one. Medyo may kalumaan na siya, guys. Alright, okay.